Script start. Blackout Bingo and Cash Giraffe use completely different earning models. So the app with the bigger possible prize is not necessarily the one that pays more consistently. By the end, you'll know how each app generates rewards, whether either one actually offers jackpot-style prizes, and which option makes more sense if your priority is bigger payouts. First, Blackout Bingo is a competitive bingo game built around multiplayer matches. The official game listing says players can compete for real-world rewards and cash prizes where available. Matches are based on speed and skill, and the game includes both free matches and cash matches. El Big Run Studios, 1-1. That difference matters because Blackout Bingo can put actual cash prizes on individual matches, rather than simply giving you points for spending time inside other games. Cash Giraffe works differently. It is a play-to-earn rewards app, where you earn gems by playing featured mobile games, completing surveys, and reaching milestones. Those gems can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. Cash Giraffe currently advertises a $0.20 minimum cash out. Cash Giraffe, so if you mean, which has the bigger jackpot? Blackout Bingo is the clear fit for that comparison. Cash Giraffe does not operate around a single giant jackpot. Its system is based on accumulating rewards and redeeming them. There is another major difference. Blackout Bingo involves competitive matches, while Cash Giraffe rewards gameplay activity across different mobile games. Blackout Bingo therefore has more potential for a large single-match cash prize, but your result depends on the specific contest and whether cash competitions are available to you. Skills Games 3D. Cash Giraffe is much more predictable in structure. Its official site lists casual player earnings at $5, $20 per month, and active player earnings at $30, $100 per month, while also stating that individual results vary. That makes the choice pretty simple. If you specifically want the possibility of a larger one-off cash prize from a competitive bingo match, Blackout Bingo is the stronger option. If you prefer collecting smaller rewards from mobile games and surveys without depositing money, Cash Giraffe is the more straightforward model. Before installing either one, check the current cash match availability, eligibility, and withdrawal terms in your region. The key point is that Blackout Bingo is built around competitive cash prizes, while Cash Giraffe is built around accumulating redeemable rewards. For bigger jackpot potential, pick Blackout Bingo. For a simpler reward accumulation system, pick Cash Giraffe. If this comparison helped, like the video, and subscribe for more 2026 Money App comparisons.